Integrated Final Project, BST330, The Science of Building Condition Assessment. Why building condition assessment is needed. Identify defects early. Plan maintenance and repairs. Ensure safety and compliance. Protect asset value. Support sustainability. 2. Topic Learning Outcome. At the end of the class, TLO1, students are able to explain the importance of building condition assessment in ensuring safety, compliance, and sustainability of buildings. TLO2, students will be able to understand the principles of building condition assessment, accurately identify building defects, and recommend appropriate maintenance actions. 3. Topic Content Outline. 1. Introduction on Building Condition Assessment. 2. Topic Learning Outcome. 3. Topic Content Outline. 4. What is building defects? 5. Main agents of defects. 6. Inspection methodology. 7. CPBS 101, Code of Practice for Building Inspection Reports. 8. Public Works Department, PWD, BCA. 9. Resources available. 4. What is building defects? Areas of non-compliance to the bylaw, regulation, standard, mostly not subjective, out of acceptable condition, subjective. M. Hollis, 2005. Defects is the non-fulfillment of intended usage requirements. Josephson and Hammerlund, 1999. An imperfection or shortcoming. Black's Law Dictionary, 7th edition. In context of building work, defect is something that does not conform to the agreed specification. A. Icheani, 2012. 5. Main agents of defects. 1. Mechanical factors. Structural movement, settlement, heave, vibration, load stress. Cracks in walls, slabs or beams due to differential settlement. Fatigue in materials, e.g., roof trusses, steel beams. 2. Chemical factors. Corrosion of reinforcement steel, rusting in RC structures, sulfate attack on concrete, carbonation of concrete, acid rain effects on stone, masonry. 3. Biological factors. Termites attacking timber, fungal growth, mold, mildew, in damp conditions, algae, lichen growth on walls and roofs. Plant roots penetrating cracks and walls. 4. Environmental, climatic factors. Weathering, rain, sun, wind, erosion. Temperature changes to expansion and contraction to cracks. High humidity to condensation and dampness. Coastal conditions to salt attack on concrete, metal. 5. Human factors, sometimes added as 5th, poor design detailing, lack of waterproofing, poor drainage, low quality materials. Poor workmanship, lack of maintenance. 6. Inspection methodology. A systematic process to collect accurate data on building conditions, using both visual and technical methods. Inspection protocol. Protocol. Description. Protocol 1. Visual walk through assessment. Protocol 2. Non-destructive testing, NDT, using scientific instrument to assess the condition of building without destruction. Protocol 3. Destructive testing, DT, using scientific instrument to assess the condition of building with destruction. 6. Inspection methodology. Phase 1. Pre-inspection. Planning for site inspection. Building information. Checklist form. Tools and equipment. Phase 2. Site inspection. Record defects. Defect indication plan. Level of condition and priority. Overall building rating. Phase 3. Inspection report. Review current status of the building. Defect location. Remedial work. Estimated cost of repair. 7. What reporting format is required for building condition assessment in Malaysia? Code of Practice for Building Inspection Report, CPBS 101. CPBS 101 Professional Practice Standard, for consultants, surveyors, transactions, private and commercial sector. Public Works Department, PWD, BCARS format. Government Asset Management Tool, for maintenance planning, budgeting, and prioritization, public sector. RISM guidelines, if applicable. 7. CPBS 101, Code of Practice for Building Inspection Reports. Part A. Executive Summary 1.0 Property Information 2.0 Terms of Reference 3.0 Limitation of Inspection 4.0 Findings and Recommendation 5.0 Surveyor's Declaration 6.0 Surveyor's Competency Part B. Main Report 7.0 Introduction 8.0 Description of Property 9.0 Method of Inspection 10.0 Building Condition Assessment 10.1 External, Site Condition 10.2 Internal Area, By level, 11.0 Defects Analysis 12.0 Conclusion and Recommendation. Part C. Appendices. 13.0 Location and Site Plan 14.0 As Built, Building Plan 15.0 Defect Sheet 16.0 Defect Indication Plan 17.0 Letter of Award, Purchase Order No Price, if any, 18.0 Building Specification, if any, 19.0 Previous Report, if any from other consultants, Attachment. Appendix A. Sample of Inspection Certification. Appendix B. Details of BARI's Assessment. Appendix C. Sample of Defect Indication Plan. Appendix D. Details of the Schedule of Building Condition. Appendix E. Sample of Defect Sheet. Appendix F1 and F2 Schedule of Professional Fees. Appendix G1 and G2 Sample of Company and Surveyor's Competency. Appendix H. Method of Statement. 8. Public Works Department, PWD, BCA, Introduction. Background, Objectives, Scope and Limitations, General Information, Building ID and Location, Ownership, History and Records, Building Description, Construction Type, Stories and Area, Space Usage, Methodology, Inspection Procedure, Tools and Instruments, Reference Standards, Finding, Building Condition on I. Civil and Structure E. Mechanical System, E. Electrical System, according to Rating System, BCARS, Conclusion and Recommendation. Short-term and long-term repair options. Preventive maintenance strategies. Appendices. Photographs, sketches, inspection checklists. Measurement data, lab test results if any. 9. Resources available. Let's refer to the resources available.